Hi, I'm Executive Chef Cody at Takibi, here cooking and camping with Snow Peak. All right, so we're gonna make a spring Chinook Shioyaki. So earlier I just salted these little fillets of spring Chinook. I'm just gonna place this over skin side down for just a moment. Just kind of get that skin to curl up and then relax a little bit. And then we're gonna go hard on the flesh side. Probably a few minutes per side. So now that we've pulled this off the grill, I'll just give these a slight little twist just to loosen them. And they should come out nice and clean.